So for our project, we decided to implement a basic home security system. And I know you must be thinking that this is something pretty common and there's a lot of home security systems in the market, but the idea behind ours is that we want to make something that is cheap and available for everyone, because in our current community, everyone deserves to feel safe in their home. And the only way to achieve this is to have a home security system that is fully functional. So our security system is pretty basic. It has all the necessary functions and it can alert everyone around you if there's an intruder in your house. But at the same time, it's pretty cheap.
Talk about my contribution in the project. First, we draw the finance state machine. We have two states, state 0 and state 2. The first case is that the intruder is false, so we remain in the state 0 and return to it. It's in a loop, so it keeps repeating itself. The other case is that the intruder turns to true, and it is set by the motion detection. It's like a code to detect if there is a motion by the sensor. So this is the other case. And when you go to state 2, it keeps on taking the password. So in case there was a wrong password or that there was no password at all, it keeps going to state 2. The other case is that we entered a right password. So it returns back to state 0. And when it goes from state 0 to 2, it waits 10 seconds. In case there was no entered password, it goes there. If there was the right password entered, it stays in remain 0.
I'll be telling you about the components we used in the circuit. This is an LCD, liquid crystal display. We use it to say the states of the system as an activated or an idle. Also, the enter pin is displayed on it. This is a 3x4 matrix numeric keypad used for entering the password. There are a couple of LEDs here for systems on and off, and this is for flashing if an intruder happens to be in the room. This one is a motion sensor. It's a PIR sensor. Arduino Mega, a simple breadboard for the connections.
We're going to test our project now.
First, we are going to set the password for the system by clicking the hash button. For example, we will make it 4 twos. The default password for the system is 4 zeros, by the way. Then we will activate it by clicking the asterisk button. The first case is the intruder make a motion and he didn't try to enter any password, so the alarm will be activated. To stop it, we are going to click the right password, which is 4 twos. The second case is the intruder tried to make a motion and then he tried to enter any password which is wrong. For example, 4 threes. So the system will be activated. To deactivate the system, then we are going to write the correct password, which is 4 twos. The system will be deactivated. To activate it again, we have to click on the asterisk button.